Alright guys, yeah, I know I just posted a video a few minutes ago. Yeah, I'm making a video. I just want to show you guys this. So you might be seeing all of these videos and stuff. I think you guys might know who it is, and by the title, by the name, it's Cristiano Ronaldo. If you guys are living under a rock and don't know who that is, he's basically like one of the best soccer players, if not the best soccer player in history. He's known for many things. He has the most
Action!
sorry, he's the most followers on Instagram, a lot of stuff. He scored the most goals in soccer history, many more. Yeah, many more stuff. Yeah. So this is his actual channel. Apparently he made it on July 8th, but he posted his first video 15 hours ago. And if you guys can tell by his videos, he has made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 videos in an hour. 10 videos in an hour, and they're all like 1 minute, 45 seconds, 27 seconds, 24 seconds, 3 minutes, 24 seconds, 33 seconds, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 9 seconds, 1 minute, 2 seconds, 1 minute, 8 seconds, 2 minutes, 56 seconds. So it's all like, it's like maybe 20 minutes to count, and then the editing and stuff. So if you posted like 10 videos in an hour, it's kind of crazy, especially with all the editing that you can tell. Yeah, and then he posted a video another hour later, 14 hours ago, then he posted, yeah, this one is crazy, he posted 6 hours ago, golden, that's gold. Okay, this one might be fake, because how did he get it that fast? Of course, he probably got subscribers. I don't know how long it took for him to get that much subscribers, but I know it takes a while for the golden segments stuff to get built. Like how long does it take to play? Yeah, YouTube is like long. But this is a fish where first I saw this on my For You page, I was so surprised. It was actually fake. So I just thought that he just posted shorts and it's all in a day. All in a day, but when I know, like, I just every time I hear it, I'm not like,
Action!